Your turn, Amy.
I'll take a T, and for my daughter Terry.
Okay.
How many points do I have?
800.
Okay, it's your turn, Amy, still.
I'll take a D.
What was the puzzle that was on there last night? Is that what it is, John? Remember, it was don't something. Don't be sarcastic, was it?
John, you gotta put what it is. Is it a thing or what?
Phrase.
A phrase. Okay.
I got
You gotta put down my points.
1,200 points.
And you spelled phrase wrong.
I don't care.
I will take an N.
Good guess. It's, first word is don't,
Ding.
and then and.
How many points do I have now?
1,400.
Is that an M?
That's
Isn't the
N.
N, isn't the N supposed to be there?
No, that's an apostrophe.
Oh, and that whole space is an apostrophe.
That's what they do on
Oh,
the
okay.
show.
I will take
Hey, you forgot an N right there.
What do you mean?
an
An N right there?
No.
Isn't there an N right there? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, Amy, it's still your turn.
I'll take an S.
S. Ding.
How many points do I have?
Okay, Amy, guess the letter.
I'll take an L.
A what? O?
An L.
L?
Ding.
How many points do I have?
1,800.
An O, I'll buy a vowel.
And there's one R.
I didn't say R.
I made one O.
So subtract 250. Come on, John, you can do it. Get out of here.
I will take an H.
Good guess, because the word is the. Take an E.
Ding.
Don't let the.
I will take an E. For my dear mother.
Ding. Ding. Ding.
Ooh, lots of E's.
Ding.
Gone.
It's only 200 points altogether, John. I know what it is. I'll solve it.
For $1,500, Amy, solve the puzzle.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Yeah, dun dun dun.
Yay.
dun.